Hi, my name is Crystal Gray, creator of the Crystal Gray Yoga Method. I've been teaching yoga for over 16 years and leading yoga teacher training since 2014. In this video, I'm going to share with you my 3 top tips on how to make money as a yoga teacher. This could be one of the big questions you ask yourself before signing up for a yoga teacher training, and that's totally understandable. I have 3 simple ways you can start making money so you can pay off any debt from paying for your yoga teacher training, maybe start making some money to pay off other debts, go to other yoga trainings, put money towards vacations funds, etc. Before we dive into the tips, I want you to get it into your head that it's all about exposure in the beginning and creating opportunities. It's not good enough to post on Facebook once about a class you're offering, then never try again because no one comes. You have to put yourself out there. And remember, people need yoga. Think of all the benefits you've gotten from yoga. If you don't put yourself out there and share the gift of yoga with these people, you're doing them a disservice. Got it? Okay, good. Now, on to the tips. My number 1 tip, start teaching locally, not at a studio. I know, it can be scary to put yourself out there seemingly on your own, but honestly, your classes will start with friends and family, then will grow by word of mouth. It's a lot less scary to start teaching your friends and family rather than at a studio where students may be less forgiving and used to something that the studio already offers. During warm months, teach in your backyard or in a friend or family member's yard. Number 2. What network are you connected with? What about school teachers, a group of young moms, a church? Offer to teach them a private session. You can go to them. At school, church, someone's yard, ask around if none of those spaces work. Facebook is a great place to ask for recommendations. Once you have some people that are loving what you offer, you can have a small day-long retreat. This could be at your house or again, a friend or family member's. You could rent out a community building or an Airbnb, but this cuts into your profit significantly. Keep it simple. Things don't have to be perfect. Shoot to have 5 people. Have it between 3 and 4 hours. Include meditation, a craft. Vision boards are always great. Vinyasa yoga, restorative yoga, a light snack. Pinterest has great ideas for grazing boards. This could easily be 3 to 4 hours, and you could charge $50 to $100 depending on what you're offering. That's $250 for 5 people if you charge $50 each. Minus the food cost, you still make $200. With any of these offerings, you want to make sure you're not selling yourself short. Have students register and pay ahead so you don't have a lot of people just deciding not to show up. Have a return policy. If people can't show up that day, will you give them a credit for your next event? Let that be clear before they pay. Decide on what your minimum income is for the class or event and only have it if you reach that number of students that will give you that minimum amount. You don't want to burn yourself out by teaching to only 1 to 2 people. Let them know ahead of time too that you need X amount of people to run it. Remember, what you offer has value. You are valid and you are good enough. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you sign up for my free 5-day challenge that teaches you everything you need to know before taking the leap and taking a yoga teacher training. All you need to do to access this free video training is to click the first link in the description on this video or the one pinned in the comments. That will take you to the page where you enter your email address and you'll be all signed up. Before you go, I'd love it if you'd let me know in the comments which idea resonates with you the most. Teaching to a group of friends or a specific local demographic, having mini retreats, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more yoga education. Have a great day.